If you see these pictures, they speak volumes of the conditions in which we work, right from, I'm saying, A grade schools, from AC classrooms, to slums, to communities, to jhuggies and jhopdis, and we actually penetrate in every segment of the society. We are not restricted to a particular section. We believe in including everybody. So it also includes the specially determined. This picture especially that you just saw was about talking to kids of sex workers. We engage with the youth. You can see Rameshwar, one of our team members, in action. You see the faces lit up, how kids are happy. And we begin this education from pre-nursery to standard 12th. And even in colleges later on, we also go and train graduates, postgraduates. We train corporates, we train IAS officers for this cause. We train government sector, we train the private sector. We are trying to make ourselves present with this cause and asking people to take action as much as we can through whatever stage and whatever platform we get. Up till now, we have been able to sensitize more than 500,000 of population, and this is just with like 2 to 3 or 4 volunteers working together and making this difference. And it has just been 7 years that we have officially rolled this. More than 1,500 plus schools, and our schools record. So when I'm saying 1,500 schools, it's not that those 1,500 schools we never visit again. If I'm adding 100 schools to my profile this year, it keeps on recurring because our modules are age appropriate, and we have to keep going and keep visiting so that kids get age appropriate information. And we also visit colleges. We conduct sessions for the hearing impaired. These kids here, they are from a beautiful school, amazing kids. Every community is being taken care of. We also have a special affiliation with National Child Labor Project Kids. These kids are child laborers and extremely vulnerable to sexual abuse on grounds of money. So we train them, the kids, the staff, the parents, everyone. All our modules are clinically designed by a survivor and a clinical psychologist called Nusrat. So they are not just Google researched modules, they are all based on experience and customized on the floor. We conduct counseling, we conduct therapy sessions, and this walkathon that you see is a huge dream. Someday, to all my international community who is here, we plan to have huge walkathons under the umbrella of Cactus Foundation across the globe. And I do see a lot of hope with the kind of response that you've given this conference. In a small, sleepy town called Sholapur, without social media. I mean, without social media, as in 90% of the 25,000 people who walk, they don't have social media. They come from all walks of life. They are weavers, they are cobblers, they are masons, they are plumbers, they are factory workers, they are IAS officers. Everyone walks every year in the month of February. 25,000 people, children, survivors, everyone walking for one cause, and that is stop child sexual abuse. And this walkathon is known as Sholapur Chuppi Todo. I'm looking for an opportunity where we can have Cactus can tell people that, okay, let every country together with Cactus walk on a special day like this. We also have a safe space for survivors. We keep getting mails, calls for adult survivors, and we help them. We have Marilyn with us from USA, and I'm so honored to have her here. And we would like to tell you, Marilyn, that we do a lot of therapies and counseling for adult survivors, help them heal, help them share their stories in a safe space. And we also run powerful social media campaigns, and all the followers that you see on our social media handles are organic. There's not a single advertisement or anything, because we don't have resources and we don't believe in inorganic growth. We've organized the world's biggest walkathon, as I mentioned, and in that we have had 100 plus partners. We partner with the Police Commissionerate, with the Collectorate Office, with the Municipal Corporation, with the University, with the National Child Labor Project, with the Zilla Parishad, which has all the villages under its aegis, hospitals, corporates, societies, and associations. People join in large numbers. And all this work that you see, my friends, without a penny from anyone. I am not a very rich person, but I'm thankful to my volunteers and my team who continuously is standing with me as I lead this cause. And there is more to our work than what you see. And most of the volunteers that you see with me definitely have a story to tell about their own childhoods and about their own experiences. And the way I said, there is more to our work than what you see. And our funds are far less than what you think. I can actually spell out how much I have in my bank account, but my team has asked me to shut up. And they've said, no, we are not going to tell people that we don't have money. But anyone who's interested to know how much Cactus Foundation has in its account can SMS us and we'll send you the bank detail, what is there in our account. And this entire conference has been managed by a handful of volunteers with no funds, of course. But without funds, without resources, Cactus Foundation is committed to continue its effort to stop child sexual abuse. Thank you. This is just a little information about Cactus.